Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate the languages or any website in Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Google Chrome and open any website which is in other languages. So you can see that this is in Spanish over here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this web page over here and go to Google Translate. After I open Google Translate, you can see the web page or websites over here. Tap on it, paste the link over here and click on next button. After that, you can see that automatically you can translate it. Click on English, which is over here, and there you go. This is how you translate a web page from any other languages to English on Google Translate. I'm going to show it to you once again. Let's go ahead and open one article over here. After that, copy this article's website and paste it over here on the websites and click on this translate option. Then it will load up another page where you can see there are options like English and Spanish. Just go ahead and tap on English and then it will be translated to English. This is how you translate any other languages or any other websites rather than English language to English language. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.